I had already recorded the second episode in this series, but decided not to post it yet. After reading nearly 200 of your comments to my last post, I wanted to respond to what I heard. I asked you how you were doing, and some of you are good, have landed, reinvented, but most of you talked about the shame you feel. Some said useless, alone, that nothing's working. You talked about barely scraping by. If this is where you are, I need you to hear me. You are not failing. You are living through something much bigger than one person. I don't have to tell you that workplace age discrimination is real. You're already living that. Companies are restructuring, downsizing, shredding jobs.